Hi everyone, Chow and More here, and I'm gonna be looking for some Paw Patrol, and I see him straight ahead right over there. I'm in Boscov's right now. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this, all these. I need to get a replacement Rocky here. Oh, so that's where the crane is. Oh, they got the old ones. It's $13.99. I don't have Suma. I need a replacement Rocky. Oh, this is different. That's so cool. I'm gonna get a replacement Rocky. Well, you know what? I'm gonna need a replacement Rocky anyway. So I'm gonna grab him. So I'm gonna grab Rocky right now. I'm at Sears now, and Sears is having a everything must go sale. So I think if I could find Paw Patrol stuff here, but it won't be a problem if I could try to find toys in this location. I don't know. Well, let's see what happens. I had went to Hot Topic and GameStop and everywhere. Hello.
Excuse me, hi.
Sorry. And I found Rocky, and he's right here. I'm gonna grab him for real this time.